Thanks for joining us for this video today that's explaining how to order element designs through the Würth Baer Supply website. First off, let's make sure we are at www.baersupply.com. At that point, we want to use our user ID and password for the Würth Baer Supply website to log in. We'll see that we are verified as logged in when we see our name at the upper right hand corner. We then want to click on the element design red icon in the upper left hand corner. Please be aware that element designs can only be sold by Würth Baer Supply in certain areas that are shown on the website. So see here that we have a sample of some photos of various element design products. Please read the disclaimer in the middle of the page here. And with that, we can click go, and we'll find ourselves logged in, indeed, at the Elements website. We see here again that we are logged in. We can click on this and see a few options. At this point, we see a configuration defaults page. We can pick various hinge borings that are common and set these as our default so that every time we're at this page, this is what we start with. That can also be changed and edited at any time. At the bottom of a page, we also see a reference image based on the selections we've made above. If all looks well, we want to click Save here so that, again, we see every time a familiar and comfortable starting point. If we click in the uppermost right-hand corner, we can select Profile. Here we can change our username and password at any time. If we click it again, we can get started on a new quote or order. We'll see various product types. If we select one, aluminum door in this case, we can select inch millimeter and then select our model. I'll mention at this point, if you're looking for no insert, you do need to go under standard glass and mirror. And under insert types, you'll find no insert. At this point, we can start adding items. Click under product for the drop-down, select your product, enter your width and height dimensions, and any customer part or purchase order or job number that you may have. Absolutely be sure to hit save over the far right, this green icon. That saves your line item. At this point, we can continue adding items. In this case, it'll be a left-handed door. We'll add our dimensions again. And in this case, another custom part number. Of course, we'll save that. At this point now, we can save the quote, start an order, or add another line item. We can also add special instructions at this point too. We'll save the quote this time and give it a reference name. We hit OK when we're done. We see our quote has been saved. We can click under My Quotes and Orders. We can click on an order number or quote number. We can do editing at this point and add other items. Make changes in dimensions, quantities, anything really. Remember to click on the green icon to ensure that any changes you've made to the item are saved. Be sure to also click Save for any changes you've made along the way to the quote as a whole. We can now start an order. By clicking the link, we can get more of a packing slip view of our order. Clicking back to the page, we can log out.